Every day, a school needs 50 laptops. A shelter needs volunteers. A cause needs a grant. That need usually sits alone in a message, in an inbox, completely disconnected from everyone who could help. Watch what one Slack message can do. This is Groundswell. One message, and it's already reasoning through a real Gemini model, calling out to a modal context protocol server I built from scratch, querying donor records, NGO partners, volunteers, and grants, all in real time. And here it is, a full coalition, assembled from one sentence. Donor, verified NGO partner, active volunteers, and grant support, all matched automatically. This coalition score isn't a guess from the language model. It's a real weighted formula: proximity, capacity, mission alignment, volunteer availability, fully explainable, every single time, not a black box. It even spins up a dedicated mission room automatically. Inside, there's a full mission plan, objectives, stakeholders, a progress checklist, all generated as a real Slack canvas. This becomes the actual coordination hub for everyone involved in that mission going forward, not just a one-off chat reply that gets lost in scrollback. Now here's the part that's only possible with real-time search. Watch, I'm typing in this thread, and I am not mentioning the bot at all. Groundswell is passively monitoring this mission conversation in the background. The moment it detects a blocker signal, it reacts on its own. No one asked it to. It's already searching for volunteers and reporting back, live, in thread. That's the difference between a chatbot that waits to be asked, and an agent that's actually paying attention. This is Groundswell's home. This impact counter isn't decorative, it genuinely increments every time a real coalition forms. The mission we just watched happen, moments ago, is already counted in these numbers. Missions launched, students represented, volunteers mobilized, grants identified, all tied to real coalition formations, not a static display. And for anyone who'd rather not type a message at all, the same engine is one click away. 5 need types, right here. I'll pick one, and a guided form opens. Describe the need, add a location, and submit. Watch what happens. Same coalition engine underneath, same MCP server, same real-time scoring. This is just a friendlier front door for someone who isn't comfortable writing a message to a bot. And notice, this whole thing is running on real cloud infrastructure right now, completely independent of any laptop. It's live, and it's testable by anyone, at any time. Under the hood, here's what's actually happening. Real Slack AI reasoning, running through a genuine Pydantic AI agent with streaming responses. A real, standalone MCP server, not bolted on, not faked, running as its own independent process. And real-time, passive monitoring that watches for blockers without ever being asked. All 3 required technologies. All genuinely implemented. A groundswell is what happens when one small push builds into an unstoppable collective force. That's exactly what this does. One message in, a coalition out. Groundswell, for the Slack Agent Builder Challenge.